Welcome to a spirit of mind, a sanctuary for mindfulness, healing, and inner peace. I'm so glad you've chosen to join me for this special meditation focused on gratitude and self-compassion, two of the most powerful practices for cultivating joy, inner balance, and emotional resilience. This is your time to pause, reflect, and reconnect with the abundance in your life while embracing yourself with kindness and love. Together, we'll explore the healing power of gratitude and the transformative nature of self-compassion. Find a comfortable position, either sitting upright or lying down. Allow your body to settle into the surface beneath you and gently close your eyes. Take a deep breath in through your nose. And as you exhale, let go of any tension or distractions. This is your moment to let go and simply be. Now let's begin. Bring your awareness to your breath. Without changing its natural rhythm, simply notice the gentle rise and fall of your chest. With each inhale, feel a sense of expansion. And with each exhale, release any tightness or heaviness. Now, bring your focus to your body. Starting at your feet, imagine a warm wave of relaxation flowing through you. Feel your toes, arches, and heels softening. Let this wave travel up through your calves, knees, and thighs, releasing tension as it goes. Allow your hips to rest fully, supported by the surface beneath you. Let your abdomen and chest rise and fall naturally with your breath, each movement drawing you deeper into calm. Feel the wave of relaxation spreading to your shoulders, arms, and hands. Let your shoulders melt down, releasing any weight they've been carrying. Finally, let the relaxation flow to your neck, jaw, and face. Unclench your jaw, soften your lips, and release the space between your eyebrows. Your entire body is now at ease, ready to embrace gratitude and self-compassion. Gratitude is a profound way to shift our perspective and connect with the abundance already present in our lives. Begin by bringing to mind one thing you feel grateful for today. It could be something simple, a kind word, a beautiful moment, or even the breath you're taking right now. As you hold this thought, allow yourself to fully feel the gratitude in your heart. Imagine it as a warm, golden light glowing within you. With each inhale, let this light grow brighter. And with each exhale, let it expand outward, filling your entire body. Next, reflect on something you've done recently, big or small, that you're proud of or grateful for. Maybe it was a decision, an effort, or even showing up for this meditation. Silently say to yourself, "Thank you." Let this gratitude for your own actions and choices settle into your heart. Gratitude isn't about perfection. It's about recognizing the good that exists alongside life's challenges. With each breath, feel this sense of abundance expanding. Reminding you that even in the smallest moments, there is beauty and meaning to be found. Now that you've connected with gratitude, let's turn inward with self-compassion. This is a time to honor your humanity. Offer yourself the kindness you so freely give to others. Begin by placing a hand over your heart, feeling its warmth and steady rhythm. Say to yourself, "I am worthy of love and kindness." Feel the truth of these words as they resonate within you. Reflect on a challenge or difficult moment you faced recently. Instead of judging or criticizing yourself, take a deep breath and say, "It's okay." I am doing my best. Imagine wrapping yourself in a blanket of understanding and care. Offering yourself the same comfort you'd give to a dear friend. Repeat these affirmations silently or aloud. I'm grateful for the abundance in my life. I honor my journey and the lessons I've learned. I am surrounded by love and kindness. I give myself permission to rest and heal. I am worthy of compassion and care. I trust in the process of my growth. I celebrate the small victories in my life. I release judgment and embrace self-acceptance. I am deeply connected to the present moment. I am grateful for my ability to grow and change. I choose to focus on the positive aspects of my life. I offer myself patience and understanding. I am thankful for the people who support me. I allow gratitude to fill my heart and mind. I am enough, just as I am. I release the need for perfection and embrace my humanity. I am open to receiving love and kindness. I welcome peace and joy into my life. Let these affirmations settle into your heart, grounding you in self-love. Remember, self-compassion is not about ignoring growth, but embracing yourself with gentleness as you move forward on your journey. As this meditation draws to a close, take a moment to reflect on the feelings of gratitude and self-compassion you've cultivated. Picture them as two gentle flames glowing within you, steady and unwavering. Know that you can return to these practices anytime you need strength, clarity, or peace. Take a deep breath in, and as you exhale, imagine this warmth spreading throughout your entire body. Let it ground you, soothe you, and guide you in the moments ahead. When you're ready, begin to bring your awareness back to your surroundings. Wiggle your fingers and toes gently, feeling the surface beneath you. Slowly open your eyes, carrying this sense of calm and connection with you. Thank you for taking this time to nurture yourself with gratitude and self-compassion. Until next time, take care of yourself, honor your journey, and know that you are enough, just as you are. Namaste.